cleanse your intestines effectively with a simple juice recipe. Many of us suffer from digestive problems that are harmful to our health, such as constipation, cramps, irritable bowel syndrome, and more. Despite the complexity and frustration that these problems cause, the solution for you is probably in a very close and accessible place, your kitchen. A healthy diet that helps remove toxins and intestinal parasites is a very effective tool for improving the quality of life of anyone with digestive problems, and if you experience them, you should try it out. A great way to get started is by using a special, simple drink to prepare you for a thorough cleanse of your digestive system using just 4 ingredients. The 4 ingredients: apple, ginger, and lemon, with little sea salt. Each of the ingredients in this drink has important functions in cleansing the intestines, which are outlined below. Here's what each ingredient does. Apple. Apples provide the body with a very high amount of fiber, and specifically pectin fibers, which help clear the intestines when they pass through them, reduce cholesterol levels in the body, and are considered antibacterial. In addition, apples are rich in minerals that are beneficial to our body's health. And there's even a detox diet that includes eating apples almost exclusively for 5 days. Of course, this is an extreme and far-fetched diet that could cause damage to the body and is not to be used, especially considering the awesome recipe below. Ginger. In India, ginger has been used for more than 5,000 years to cure various diseases, including digestive problems. Ginger increases the secretion of digestive juices and encourages the movement of the intestines, thus helping to release the excrement from the body along with the waste and toxins present in it. In addition, a study at the University of Michigan Medical School found that ginger intake helps reduce symptoms of colitis, which is considered a precursor of colon cancer. Lemon. Lemon contains many antioxidants and a high amount of vitamin C, which is soluble in water and therefore can pass easily in the intestines and destroy free radicals and various toxins, an ability that also makes the lemon effective in preventing intestinal cancer. In addition, its atomic structure is very similar to that of the chlorine hydrogen in our digestive juices, and it encourages the liver to produce bile, a fluid required for normal digestion processes. Drinking lemon water also has health benefits. Sea salt. Although you may doubt salt as a healthy ingredient, you should first know that most of the harmful salt we consume comes from processed food, and generally, there is nothing wrong with adding a little sea salt to food unless you have a medical problem and your doctor has instructed otherwise. Sea salt can release fluid retention, and adding it to this drink gives it the ability to contribute to the process of washing toxins from the intestines out of the body. 4-ingredient juice recipe. Ingredients: ½ cup natural apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice. Blend ginger with 1 to 1½ cups water until you get a thick liquid. ½ teaspoon sea salt. ½ cup warm water. Directions: 1. Heat water in a pot until it's hot, but you can still drink it, without boiling. 2. When the water has reached the proper heat, transfer it to a cup, add sea salt and stir. 3. Add apple juice, ginger juice, and lemon juice. Drink the juice in the morning, on an empty stomach, at room temperature. Drink it again before you have a light lunch, preferably one based mostly on vegetables, and again in the evening. It is very important that you drink 6 to 8 cups of regular water during the day, which will help remove the toxins from your intestines. Besides lower your triglyceride, figs have much more amazing health benefits. Figs are among the oldest fruits consumed by humans. They have a unique, sweet taste, soft and a chewy texture, and slightly crunchy, edible seeds. Fresh figs are very delicate, so they're often dried to preserve. This produces a tasty fruit that can be enjoyed all year round and has a whole range of different health benefits. Below you'll find 10 health benefits of the humble figure. 1. Prevents constipation. In every 3 fig serving there are 5 grams of fiber. This high concentration of fiber helps to promote healthy, regular bowel function and prevents constipation. Fiber works to add bulk and mass to bowel movements, so it not only prevents constipation, but it also eliminates diarrhea and unhealthy or irregular bowel movements. 2. Lower cholesterol levels. Figs contain pectin, which is a soluble fiber. When fiber moves through the digestive tract, it mops up clumps of cholesterol and carries them to the excretory system to be eliminated from the body. As a soluble fiber, pectin also stimulates healthy bowel movements. They can have a laxative effect as they are one of the most fiber-dense foods available. To add to this, high amounts of fiber in your diet can benefit your overall health by preventing certain types of colon cancer. 3. Prevent coronary heart disease. Dried figs contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fatty acids reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. To add to this, fig leaves have an inhibitory effect on triglycerides, making their overall number decrease. Triglycerides are a major contributor to various heart diseases. 4. Prevents breast cancer. The fiber content in figs has been known to help protect against breast cancer. After menopause, the hormonal balance in women can often fluctuate. The body's systems are so interconnected that these hormones affect the immune system, which in turn affect the ability of antioxidants to fight free radicals. Free radicals are a leading cause of cancer, so figs add an extra line of defense by providing fiber to the body. 5. Controls diabetes. The American Diabetes Association recommends figs as a high-fiber treat that helps to promote functional control of diabetes. Fig leaves reduce the amount of insulin needed by diabetic patients who have to regularly take injections. Figs are rich in potassium, which helps to regulate the amount of sugar absorbed by the body after meals. Large amounts of potassium can ensure that blood sugar spikes and falls are not as frequent. In other words, figs can help diabetics to live a normal life. 6. Treat bronchitis. The natural chemicals in fig leaves make them a great component for a tea base. Fig leaf tea is often prescribed for various respiratory conditions such as bronchitis and asthma. 7. Strengthen bones. Figs are rich in calcium, which is one of the most important components for strong bones. They are also rich in phosphorus, which encourages bone formation and spurs regrowth if there is any damage or degradation to bones. 8. Relieve throat pain. The high mucilage content in figs helps to heal and protect sore throats. The soothing nature of figs can help to relieve pain and stress on the vocal cords. Take this shot will boost your gut, eliminates any parasite and improve your overall health. Nowadays, many people have started using more natural remedies than medicines. One of the most famous and most beneficial is definitely turmeric. It's considered to be a miracle of the nature with amazing benefits for our body as well as our mind. It is a spice with dark yellow color which is abundant in nutrients. It improves our health in many different ways. These are some of the best benefits turmeric has to offer to us. Its active ingredient is called curcumin. It contains an abundance of bioactive substances and is considered to be an anti-inflammatory. It can help us against numerous health problems, fights inflammation. Turmeric can really help us treat some inflammatory diseases which are chronic. Some of them are Alzheimer's, arthritis and heart diseases. Improves our brain function. Curcumin is known to increase the BDNF hormone found in our brain, but it also improves its function. We can treat numerous degenerative diseases with it. Fights depression. Consuming turmeric regularly can help us regulate the levels of hormone in our brain. We can fight some disorders like, for example, depression. Here, we're presenting you one of the best recipes for regular consumption of turmeric. It contains apple cider vinegar, too. It will help us prevent infections, treat digestive problems and fill our body with nutrients. Another benefit is that it can destroy all the parasites and improve the health of your gut. Apple cider vinegar can help us create balance in our body and restore the necessary hydrochloric acid balance. It promotes the creation of good bacteria. Consuming apple cider vinegar regularly will help your colon function properly. It is full of antifungal, antibacterial properties, etc. It can help us improve our metabolism, regulate our levels of cholesterol and decrease our weight. Apple cider vinegar is full of beta-carotene, various vitamins, pectin, minerals like sulfur, magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, fluorine, phosphorus, chlorine, sodium, etc. When you combine apple cider vinegar and turmeric, you obtain an amazing recipe that will improve your complete health. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Instructions: First, you'll have to boil the water. Then, remove the pan from the heat. Add all the ingredients inside. Stir well so that they could all be dissolved. Keep the drink in your fridge. Take 1 glass of this drink every morning. Make sure you drink it on an empty stomach, prior to having breakfast. The results will appear very soon. Enjoy your healthy life.